Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to manage your cryptocurrency's private keys when using Coinbase. It's important to understand that Coinbase is a custodial service, meaning they securely hold the private keys for your assets. You cannot directly get your private key from your Coinbase account. Instead, the process involves moving your digital assets to a personal, self-custody wallet where you maintain full control. The first step is to choose a reliable self-custody wallet. Options include hardware wallets, which offer top-tier security, or software wallets, which are convenient for everyday use. Once you set up your chosen wallet, it will generate a unique seed phrase, usually consisting of 12 or 24 words. This phrase is crucial. It's your master key. Make sure to write it down and store it in a very safe offline location. Now, let's move your assets. Log into your Coinbase account and find the Send/Receive or Withdraw option. Choose the specific cryptocurrency you want to transfer, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and enter the exact amount. Crucially, you'll need to paste your self-custody wallet's public address into the recipient field. Always double-check this address carefully, as transactions are irreversible once confirmed on the blockchain. Before finalizing, carefully review all the transaction details on Coinbase. Ensure the cryptocurrency, amount, and especially the destination wallet address are absolutely correct. You'll likely need to confirm the withdrawal using two-factor authentication for added security. Once confirmed, the transaction will be processed on the blockchain. You can then monitor your self-custody wallet. The funds should arrive within a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.